Welcome back, habit builders. Today we are breaking down Chapter 5 of Atomic Habits by James Clear, and trust me, this one's a game changer. We've talked about how habits work, how they are shaped by your identity, and how your environment influences them. But in this chapter, James gives us the most practical strategy yet, how to start a new habit and actually make it stick. It's not about motivation. It's not about being perfect. It's about using a simple method called habit stacking, and once you understand it, you'll be able to create new routines that feel effortless. Let's jump in. So, we all want to build better habits. But starting a new habit from scratch can feel overwhelming, right? You might say, I want to meditate, or I'm going to journal every morning. But then life happens, and the habit fades away. James Clear gets it. And that's why in Chapter 5, he introduces a technique called habit stacking, a super simple way to build new habits by anchoring them to ones you already do. Here's how it works. Instead of creating a new habit out of thin air, you attach it to something you already do consistently. That existing habit becomes your trigger, a built-in cue for your new behavior. James explains it like this. After current habit, I will, new habit, dot. That's habit stacking. It's like saying, after I brush my teeth, I will floss. After I make my morning coffee, I will read one page. After I sit down at my desk, I will write my to-do list. See how simple that is? You are not relying on motivation or memory. You are piggybacking off a behavior you already have on autopilot. It reduces friction, increases consistency, and makes your new habit part of a routine that's already working. This technique works especially well when your current habits happen at regular times or locations like waking up, making breakfast, taking a shower, commuting, or sitting down at your desk. Let's say you want to start journaling every night. Don't just say, I'll journal tonight. Instead, link it like this. After I set my alarm for bed, I will write one sentence in my journal. The beauty of habit stacking is that it doesn't require a complete lifestyle overhaul. You are simply building a new habit on top of an old one, like adding a new floor to a house that's already standing. But James also warns us, habit stacking works both ways. You can unintentionally stack bad habits too. For example, after finishing dinner, you might automatically turn on Netflix. That's a habit stack you didn't design. But it still runs your behavior. So take control. Be the architect of your habit stacks. Use the routines you already have as launchpads for small, intentional habits that build toward the person you want to become. James even suggests being specific. The more precise your habit stack is, the more likely it is to stick. For example, after I pour my morning coffee, I will meditate for 1 minute. After I take off my work shoes, I will change into workout clothes. Simple, clear, repeatable. That's what makes new habits last. So here's your habit hack from Chapter 5. Don't try to create habits out of thin air, build them on routines you already have. Habit stacking is one of the easiest, smartest ways to start a behavior that actually sticks. So ask yourself, what do I already do every day? And what small habit can I stack on top of that? Drop a comment below and share your own habit stack. Whether it's after your morning coffee or just before bed, I want to hear what you are building. If this video helped you, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and tap the bell so you don't miss Chapter 6 and more life-changing content from Atomic Habits. Until next time, keep it small, keep it simple, and keep stacking those tiny wins. You are building something powerful.